Many YouTube videos are a goldmine of valuable information, but it can be tedious watching them all when you're trying to research something. In this video, I'll give you a Google Colab notebook where you can take one or more YouTube video links and make queries on those videos using Google Gemini. If you don't have your Gemini keys stored in your Google Colab key vault, please watch the setup video in the description. Now let's say there's someone who has recently done a lot of podcast interviews, but each of these podcasts are an hour, 2 hours, or even longer, and you don't have the time to sit through all of them. Let's say we want to research Cal Newport, who is a computer scientist who is famous for advocating for deep work. Let's search for his recent interviews on various podcasts like Lex Fridman, Tim Ferriss, and Jordan Harbinger. Once we've got these URLs, we can input them into our script here that'll extract the transcripts for each of the videos, put them all together in a list, and then send that list of transcripts along with our question or query to Gemini. Let's ask our first question to summarize these transcripts. And here is the summary for our transcript. These YouTube transcripts are from conversations with Cal Newport, an associate professor of computer science at Georgetown University. Author of several books on productivity and technology, the conversations cover various topics related to productivity, technology, and the human condition. Okay, and you can see it further summarizes each of the transcripts individually here. Now let's try to ask it to find the differences or discrepancies between the three different transcripts. And here are those results. Scrolling down, you can see that Gemini summarized the discrepancies it found, which are pretty much trivial. It says, in summary, the main discrepancy lies in the precision of Cal Newport's job title. The other differences are primarily in the depth and breadth of the conversations, focusing on various aspects of Cal Newport's work and ideas without necessarily contradicting each other. More information regarding the publication dates of Cal Newport's books would be required to determine any discrepancies there. Okay, now let's try asking it what insights it can find about slow productivity. And here are those results. Basically, the AI distilled slow productivity down to three main bullet points. 1. Doing fewer things. 2. Working at a natural pace. And 3. Obsessing over quality. Now let's try asking it a question that I know wasn't mentioned in the transcripts to see if it's capable of admitting what it doesn't know rather than hallucinating any old answer. What do they think about pizza? And here are the results. The provided YouTube transcripts do not contain any information about the speaker's opinions on pizza. The transcripts focus on productivity, deep work, digital minimalism, and related topics. Okay, so it passes the sanity check and isn't making up stuff, which a lot of other language models do when asked about something it doesn't know. Now at the bottom here, I've got an option for you to export the transcripts of all of these videos so you can then attach them in ChatGPT and talk with them in detail here. Let's try asking ChatGPT to write an article from these three videos. And here's the article generated by ChatGPT. I won't read it all, but as you can see, it's titled The Productivity Paradox in Modern Workplaces, and some of its sections include the pseudo-productivity trap, meetings, the double-edged sword, and knowledge work and mismanagement, learning to say no, and conclusion, redefining productivity. So there you go. If you can't find articles on a topic, but there are tons of YouTube videos on it, well, you can turn those videos into an article with language models. Anyways, feel free to play around with this on your favorite videos and especially long podcasts. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe for more videos like this one. Peace.